पहली बात तो ये जहाँ पे काम अच्छा हो रहा है वहां पे सब अच्छा है. आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव दैट आई हैव बिकम अ सटल वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. एटलीस्ट मैं बिलीव करना चाहूंगा. I don't. First of all, I don't believe in getting typecast. I think there is nothing called being typecast. It's either good work or bad work. You know, it is just normal to have sex. It's just normal to use protection.
जिनका Instagram profile says it all about his multi-layered personality. Please welcome the very talented Apar Shakti Khurana. Hi Apar.
Me and my Instagram are all over the place, thankfully in a good way, Aditi.
Yes, absolutely. There's no harm in today's time. You have to be that multi-talented to survive. You just.
I think that's the era we are living in. That you need to multitask to work your way up. I think gone are the days when you were doing only one thing. That's what radio taught me, because from the outside लोगों को लगता है कि शायद रेडियो जॉकी सिर्फ आरजेइंग कर रहा है, but there are a lot of other things which are a part of your KRAs. Correct. And people who are not from corporate background, KRAs are key responsibility areas. Okay. तो मेरे सडनली KRA बोल दिया, मैंने कहा KRA का मतलब सबको पता होगा कि नहीं पता होगा.
Thank you so much for specifying.
Sorry, was that?
Thank you so much for specifying.
Yeah. So I think there are other things who were all which were a part of your KRAs, and you need to have a lot of other things in your KRAs in today's day and age. Even in अगर आप घर पे भी हो, now you can't say कि यार let's say in olden days क्या होता था कि there was one earning member of the family. अगर by chance कहीं पे अभी भी ऐसा हो रहा है that you are the earning member of the family, you can't say that I'm the earning member of the family, I won't do anything else.
Correct.
You need to enter the kitchen, you need to do other things, you need to make bookings online, you need to take your kid out. There's so many other things you have to do, and you will have to do. That's how we have all evolved now as human beings, and I think I'm just trying to put all of it together and थोड़ा अच्छे यूज में उसको लाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
और अब लॉकडाउन ने तो सबको बेकिंग भी सिखा दिया है. आई थिंक वो भी डाल दीजिए आप.
लॉकडाउन ने बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया आदिति, नॉट ओनली बेकिंग. I think we are baking the most of it. Sorry, make most out of it, making the most out of it. So I think it's really important to put yourself out there and try newer things, different things, which just kind of brings out the best in you. And you never know which one might just click to you. So yeah, I mean, for all that जितनी भी brand collaborations मेरे लिए हुई हैं in the past 1 year, even during the lockdown, for all that शायद इसीलिए हुई हूँ because I was doing so much on my Instagram. I was doing so various things on my Instagram. So I mean, right now I can't really put 2 and 2 together that how things shaped up in the past 1 year. But as we are talking about it, maybe that but I'm really happy that I was able to do so many things at a given point of time. So yeah.
So 1 year से थोड़ा और अपडेट जाते हैं. आप हैं एकदम नॉर्थ इंडिया के पंजाबी मुंडे, लेकिन आपने
पंजाबी मुंडा
प्रोफेशन ऐसा चुना कि you have to spend a lot of time in Mumbai for that also. तो जब आप शुरुआत में कितना मुश्किल था for you to come to a city like Mumbai from North India and settle here? What challenges did you face?
यार पहली बात तो ये जहाँ पे काम अच्छा हो रहा है वहां पे सब अच्छा है. So touchwood, work gave me a lot of love, respect, and happiness, and it'll always be like that. But having said that, yes, I mean, you're just so attached to your culture, you're just so attached to your food, you're just attached to the warmth and the upbringing you get, there in the north, that initially coming to Mumbai is little, difficult. You have to detach yourself from all of it, because Mumbai is a very welcoming city when you know your job, but that's on professional front. But on personal front, people don't have time,
Yeah.
Neighbors don't have time for each other. People don't have time for, personal, issues. They're all about work, and they want to keep it that way. And I've learned to keep it that way when I'm here. And, but of course, having said that, I do have, a certain group of people around me who show that, show an equal amount of warmth on personal front as well. And I show that back to them. And I think you really need to understand that at the end of the day आप यहाँ काम करने आए हो, and then if this city has given you so much of love and respect on work front, you need to give that respect back to the city and behave the way it behaves. So yeah.
So you started in 2016 with Dangal. अब almost I think 5 साल हो गए हैं. आपने खुद के अंदर कितना बदलाव देखा इन 5 सालों में? What all has changed for good or bad? It's made you a better person or?
Well, I would like to believe that I have become a subtle version of myself. At least मैं believe करना चाहूँगा. हंसी की वॉल्यूम डाउन नहीं हुई है, हंसी की वॉल्यूम सटल नहीं हुई है, मैं थोड़ा सा शायद सटल हो गया हूँ. But otherwise, I don't think so. The city has really changed me. My inner self is still as organic, as it was in Chandigarh or Delhi. And, I would like to believe that my innocence and the kid in me is still intact. So yeah, I mean, I haven't really changed. My energy is still the same.
Okay. अब आप भाई हैं आयुष्मान खुराना के. आप दोनों एक दूसरे के जेरोक्स लगते हैं, नॉट जस्ट इन फिजिकलिटी बट आपके पैशन सेम है, एक्टिंग, सिंगिंग, होस्टिंग, सब कुछ सेम है. और आप सच बताइए, घर में आप दोनों का कितना झगड़ा होता था इस कंपटीशन को लेके? एंड आई विल नॉट बिलीव दैट कुछ नहीं.
Honestly बताऊं, touch wood, I don't remember the last time we fought. And especially on this, never ever. यार, एक तो क्या है यार, वो
तो वैसे भी झगड़े हो ही जाते हैं, सिबलिंग्स तो ऐसे
नहीं यार. मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, टच वुड, आई मीन या ना, आई मीन देखने में काफी टुडेज आज की जनरेशन के फन दो भाई हैं, लेकिन we come from a small town and we, at least Chandigarh was a small town when we were growing up. And even when he's just 2 years older than me, I call him भैया and touch his feet. तो क्या हो जाता है, जब आप भैया बोलते हो और आप करके बात करते हो और पैर छूते हो, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के ना मतलब गुंजाइश कम रह जाती है. You can't then beyond a point raise your volume or say something which will not go down well. So I think it has been like that, and I think इस वजह से touchwood, I don't remember last time we fought. I'm touchwood really 3 बार touchwood कर चुका हूँ इस बात से that we haven't fought in a while.
But okay, on a serious note, see when आयुष्मान की भी जब फिल्में आ रही थी, जैसे शुभ मंगल, ज्यादा सावधान हो गई, बाला हो गई, all these films where he was really getting back to back hits. Even you were slowly making a path of your own way with Stree, Luka Chupi. You were also getting substantial roles where you were standing out. How difficult was it to come out of that shadow and make a mark of your own? Being आयुष्मान खुराना के brother होने के बावजूद.
यार, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये तो माइंडसेट की बात है. इट नेवर क्रॉसेस माय माइंड और हिज माइंड. ओके, वो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं. सेकेंडली, आई थिंक इट हाफ वो थोड़ा बाय चांस हुआ, हाफ थोड़ा सा वो डिलिबरेट एफर्ट था टू हैव अ डिफरेंट जर्नी. व्हेन यू आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट जर्नी, आई थिंक तब आपको ऑलरेडी सब कुछ इन प्लेस ही लगता है, सब कुछ अच्छा ही लगता है. एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन दैट टुडे यू आर कॉलिंग मी, not because I'm someone's brother, but because I've done something good in the past 3-4 years.
Yes.
So that's what just makes it fair and square, and just you feel happy about your craft, you feel happy about your homework, you feel happy about your little achievements of life. That one of the most relevant platforms in entertainment, they want to talk about your journey not because you're someone's brother, but because you've achieved a little back in the day. And I think it'll always be like that. And I hope that I'm able to grow from here, that the next time you call me should also be because of the same fair reason. It should not be because I'm related to someone.
Correct. So you also said, I was seeing one of your interviews, आपने बोला कि आपको सबसे बड़ी compliment जो मिली है वो ये है कि someone said that you made looking a hero's friend look so cool, which was really a big thing. लेकिन when you know that there is so much of talent inside you, picking up a supporting role at that time, were you not kind of there was a fear कि typecast हो जाएगा?
Yeah, Aditi, I think I don't. First of all, I don't believe in getting typecast. I think there is nothing called being typecast. It's either good work or bad work. जब इंसान बैक टू बैक बुरा काम करना शुरू कर देता है, बुरी फिल्में शुरू कर देता है, तो टाइपकास्ट हो जाता है. मैं बिना किसी के नाम लिए, आप खुद ही अपने जहन में याद कर लीजिए, पिछले 10 साल में बहुत सारे अच्छे एक्टर्स who are and were really good. अब अगर वो बाय चांस किसी स्पेस में टाइपकास्ट हुए हैं, सोचो वो एक्टर तो वही है, एक्टर थोड़ी बुरा बन जाएगा इंसान कोई।
जी
जो एक्टर अच्छा था वो अच्छा ही रहेगा ना, धीरे धीरे वही एक्टर बेटर होता है, बुरा नहीं हो जाता है वो एक्टर। इट्स जस्ट दैट दे हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ सम, यू नो, दे मेड सम बैड चॉइसेस, कुछ बुरी फिल्मों के पार्ट हो गए तो वो टाइपकास्ट हो गए। Touchwood, it hasn't happened to me so far. I've made some right choices, but you know, I can't really take this credit of making these right choices, because sometimes it's not in your hands, especially in my space. You know, when you don't have the authority to call the shots. You know,
Correct.
so I will not really, you know, take that credit. I think it's just very by chance, and God has been so kind to, you know, make those decisions fall into place and make me a part of all the relevant films. And Touchwood, you know, all of them have worked at the box office and otherwise also for the audience, for the fraternity, you know, for the reviewers, for the critics. I think wo bus, it all just got together. I mean, it is just about being at the right place at the right time and performing at the right time, and it just happened that way. I can't feel more happy about the fact that journey has, you know, panned out that way.
अभी आप स्क्रिप्ट चूज करने की बात कर रहे थे, कितना फीडबैक देते हैं आप दोनों एक दूसरे को, आयुष्मान एंड योरसेल्फ, की यार ये सीन ऐसे करना चाहिए था, कोई ऐसे कर सकते थे? डू यू गाइस डू दैट एट होम?
यार फीडबैक नहीं देते, अच्छा है बुरा बता देते हैं कि क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है।
हाँ,
I mean, feedback is number one, very you know, एक तो बड़ी इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच हो जाती है वो, है ना, हर एक ने किसी सीन को किस तरीके से करना है। यू नो, अब अगर तमाशा में रणबीर कपूर की जगह रणवीर सिंह होता तो वो अपने तरीके से करता वो, है ना। तो इट्स अ वेरी इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच कि कोई इंसान किसी सीन को या किसी फिल्म को कैसे अप्रोच करेगा, तो उस पर सजेशन देने के बजाय क्या चीज करेक्ट थी क्या नहीं थी। आई थिंक मी एंड भैया बोथ आर रियली गुड critics to each other. We can't lie to each other, and we have not lied to each other so far. And I think that's one of the main reason that we have seen a certain kind of growth in our space, in our individual spaces, and we like to keep it that way.
आपकी कोई ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस है which he's loved and he's come and told you यार इसमें तो मतलब फाड़ दिया तुमने?
यार his favorite is Pati Patni और वो,
okay,
which makes me feel very happy because, you know, my last good performance is not Dangal or Stree, which was 3 years back, but it is Pati Patni और वो, which was last year. You know, your recent films should be as good as your first film, so that makes me feel more relevant about my craft. But for me, Dangal and Stree will always have a special space in my head.
okay. So just about what we were talking, supporting roles की बात कर रहे थे. Now you have proven कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, टाइपकास्ट नहीं होते. Helmet is coming. आप I think you start the shoot for it. प्रनूतन है आपके साथ. Tell us about that. What's happening on that front?
Yeah, so Helmet is a very awkward comedy, I would say. You know, when things are awkward in real life, they look comical, and that's what most of the situations in Helmet in Helmet are all about. And it is a film on condoms, which is, you know, which will throw a light on how even in today's day and age it's awkward for people to go in and go out and ask for a pack of condoms.
Correct.
And I think now it is the time, rather we are already too late to talk about this, you know, that it is just normal, you know, it is just normal to have sex, it's just normal to use protection, rather it's extremely beneficial to use protection. I think इतने सारे सरकारी कैंपेन्स हो गए, इतने सारे ब्रांडेड कैंपेन्स हो गए अराउंड इट. It was really important to tell people in, you know, in a storytelling way. I think लोगों को कई बार वो बात ज्यादा समझ में आती है जब एक फिल्म के थ्रू बताते हो. So yeah, I mean, I hope that message comes across when you know, when they watch it, and then things become normal on this front as well as soon as possible. Had a great time shooting this. I think it has a complete mix of, you know, a unique storytelling with a good message and some quirky scenes and some quirky casting with me and Abhishek Banerjee, Pranutan Bahl, Ashish Verma in it, and looking forward to kind of, you know, show it to the world very very soon.
और आपने वेब स्पेस को भी नहीं छोड़ा है, वहां पे भी आप डेब्यू कर रहे हैं विद स्टारडस्ट, विक्रमादित्य की फिल्म.
यार ये मुझे शिकायत टाइप क्यों साउंड कर रहा है आदित्य? आपने
बिल्कुल शिकायत की है. मैं सिर्फ आपकी इंस्टा प्रोफाइल में और क्या क्या ऐड करने वाले हैं आप वो बता रही हूँ.
So yeah, I think in today's day and age, it's really important to do something relevant on OTT as well, because that's where most of the audience is right now, and it's a huge chunk of audience, and which is extremely mature, extremely intelligent. So I had to pick up, a script which is, extremely mature and intelligent, because it is by the Vikramaditya Motwani and it is on Amazon Prime. So I think really looking forward to start my shoot from the 1st of April. We are doing the workshops right now, and the table reading with the director starts from next week, and really looking forward to jam on that as well. It's an era which I had not seen. I had only heard about it from my father and grandfather, and we are one musical family where I have grown up listening to all these retro songs, and all these dialogues from Dilip Saab and Raj Kapoor Saab and Devanand Saab, and really looking forward to enter that world and be on screen, be one of them, for the lack of, so actually rather portray as one of them. These are all legends, and these are all super duper stars of their era, and getting to play one of them is just a blessing. It's just one of the dynamics which बहुत ही मुश्किल से ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट्स आपकी लाइफ में आती हैं, बहुत मुश्किल से ऐसे फिल्म मेकर्स, ऐसे एराज आपकी लाइफ में आते हैं. I think this will definitely be a script which will remain with me forever.
तो अब I cannot leave you without asking you about your fashion sense. अपार मतलब इतने quirky, इतने हटके आप कपड़े पहन लेते हैं. कोई आप बचपन से ही you were inclined towards style and fashion, या इस profession में आके it just organically happened?
यार बचपन से भी I think my life revolved around caps and t-shirts and this, that and the other. But of course I will not say that okay I was really only about fashion when I was a kid. My life revolved around sports, and that's how I would like to
cricket, if I'm not wrong.
Sorry?
In cricket, right? You used to play cricket.
Yeah, I used to play cricket, absolutely, ma'am. So, but yeah, I mean, my wardrobe, my room was always full of the stickers and the caps and the t-shirts, and it is still like that. And my family sometimes, give me a lot of taunts on that. कि यार ये मतलब चल क्या रहा है ये घर पे यार, कोई जगह छोड़ दो. I think it's really difficult for them to keep a check on what's coming, what's going, and they sometimes feel they feel कि यार ये मतलब एक ये घर नहीं है, स्टोर है, एक दुकान है, इतना सब कुछ कहाँ से आ रहा है सामान. So yeah, I mean it's a go down where everything is available, and but having said that, I love doing it. I love colors. I love as we're talking, I'm wearing yellow track pants. Hello, what's up? Say hello to my yellow track.
While you were shifting your place, I could see that you were wearing something yellow.
Yeah, imagine, yeah. See, people normally wear, when they have to do an online interview, they wear shorts and sit there with chappals and everything. No, Baba, no. I'm all ready.
Top to toe. You are prim and proper.
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. So, I mean, I can't not wear shoes and sit and talk to you. I have to be ready.
So when you are experimenting with something really quirky, कुछ ज़्यादा ही मतलब अतरंगी कपड़े आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे होते हैं, कुछ फियर रहता है यार ट्रोल हो जाऊंगा या फैशन पुलिस स्लैम कर देगी, anything, or you just don't care?
There's nothing right and wrong when you talk about fashion. It's just something what you can wear. On a bad day, people might just say that who wears yellow track pants, but I mean,
but they're looking cool.
I think I feel comfortable in them. I think I feel comfortable in these colors, and I think, I mean, they suit my skin. So I mean, I wear it. It's not to prove a point. It's not to do something which is not you per se. It is just what comes naturally to me.
Mm-hmm.
And I think more often than not, you will not get trolled for something when you're being yourself. So that's what I have never been trolled yet for my films, my fashion, my behavior, my everything so far. And ये भी अपने आप में एक अचीवमेंट है आज के युग में.
आज के ज़माने में जहाँ सोशल मीडिया में लोग अपने ओपिनियंस इतने
एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, ये भी अपने आप में एक अचीवमेंट है. So yeah, touch wood. ये another little feather to my cap. So,
Another addition to the Instagram.
Absolutely.
Not old yet. Just we
Absolutely.
talked about OTT space sometime back. एक छोटा सा rapid fire है related to the.
Oh, rapid fire! Oh my God!
Just
Rapid
answer
fire.
this question, jaldi jaldi. Okay. So, which web series are you currently watching?
Yaar, I just finished a docu-series called Don't Fuck with Cats. It's really spooky. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds that. Minimum
Yeah.
time you've spent in finishing a web show. सबसे कम वक्त में आपने web show खत्म किया हो.
Yeah, good luck because it was just, I mean, a quick watch, only 5 episodes and short episodes, and I totally loved it.
कितना
I
time
love
आपको?
Jameel Khan. यार एक साथ ही देख दिए थे. I mean, just what 3-4 hours, 5 hours में खत्म कर दिया सब. So yeah, first season and second season as well, and I totally love Jameel Khan, and I think after Scam, Sony Live has really upped their game.
Your all-time favorite web show?
One more thing I want to add, Gullak 2 is the only series which, of course, everybody tries a second season to the first season, but Gullak 2 is the only series which has really, like the first, second season is better than the first season. So I'm yet to see an Indian or a Western series which has been able to do that.
Okay, so would you say Gullak only as your all-time favorite web show, or there's something
No,
else?
no, it's not my all-time favorite web show. My all-time favorite web show will be Money Heist and How to Get Away with Murder and Patal Lok. I think these three have been and Sacred Games. Yeah, 4 of them.
Okay. Favorite character from the OTT platform?
I love Gaitonde in Sacred Games, and yeah,
Okay.
and Athoda Tyagi in Patal Lok. I have soft corner for Abhishek Banerjee.
कोई ऐसा
Of course, yeah,
character
he's a very close friend of mine. We've seen,
Yeah.
we have grown together as actors, as friends, as human beings. So I think, and he was also very, very good in the show.
कोई ऐसा character OTT platform से जिसको play करने के लिए you would do anything, like your idol sort of a role that you would really love to play?
I just want to be a part of Delhi Crime in some way or the other. I would not want to pick one character,
Okay.
but I think Delhi Crime is one of the most relevant web shows. So I really like Delhi Crime. So Delhi Crime में मुझे किसी भी तरीके से वहाँ उस वर्ल्ड में जाना है because इतना ज़्यादा organic storytelling बहुत अरसे बाद देखी है. So and I'm really looking forward to Delhi Crime 2 as well. So I loved everybody in that show.
Okay.
From
So that-
Anurag sir to Rasika to Shefali ma'am. I just loved all of them.
Thank you so much, Apar, for joining us. That was
Pleasure is all mine, Ayati. Please give my regards to everyone in the team and see you around. Take care. Have fun. Big tight virtual hug to you.